Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another live streaming of mine. Today is the 20th of November 2024 and I'm gonna tell you all, I'm gonna predict about tomorrow's market. I'm gonna tell you all how the Nifty and the Bank Nifty could behave tomorrow. I'm gonna give you all the levels, the supports and resistances of Nifty and Bank Nifty in this video. I'm also going to talk about gold and silver. Yes, I'm also going to talk about gold and silver. And the most important thing which I'm going to talk about is you. So if you have any questions, about yourself, your personal life, your marriage, your finances, your education, your property, your future, then you are most welcome to ask me. Yes, I will answer your queries in this live streaming of mine. Well, BMGR writes, Pranam Guruji. Namaste, Mr. BMGR. Namaste. So, I was just thinking about talking to you all regarding the planet Moon. Yes, in astrology, the planet Moon represents your mind. Your mind is everything. Yes, what you think, you become. No rocket science in this. What you think, you become. Yes, and whatever you see in this world, what God hasn't made was part of somebody else's mind. And then it became a reality. This mobile phone was first part of somebody's mind, was in somebody's mind, and then it became a reality. This computer, this air conditioner, this airplane, this rocket, this spaceship was part of somebody else's mind, and then it became a reality. So what you think is very important. Yes, wherever you are in your life, you made an appointment to be there. Yes, wherever you are in your life, you made an appointment to be there. You'll ask me how I made an appointment with wherever I am. Because what you think, you become. So your thoughts previously have brought you this far. And if you want to change your life, you have to change your thoughts. Our lives are basically affected by the way we think things are, not the way they are. Yes, our lives are basically affected by the way we think things are, not the way they are. One person sees the glass half full and the other sees the glass half empty. One is pessimistic, one is optimistic. To an optimistic, the thing is that whenever they see problems, difficulties, hardships in their life, they see opportunities in them. Yes, when an optimist sees barriers, hurdles, and obstacles in his or her life, all they see is opportunity in them. And to a pessimist, when they see opportunities, they create hurdles, barriers, and obstacles in their mind. Hence, they cannot move forward in their life. Yes, this is the simple definition between an optimist and a pessimist. So, an optimist will see hurdles, barriers, and obstacles, but all they will see in them are opportunities. So, you have to be an optimist at all point in time. Yes, you have to be an optimist every point in time. And that is how you have to live your life. You need to remind yourself that good things are supposed to happen to me. Yes, you need to remind yourself that good things are supposed to happen to me. And you need to say it aloud. You need to tell yourself that you are a masterpiece. I'll tell you why you are a masterpiece. That because you are the piece of the master God, I mean. Yes, you are the piece of the master God. And if God is our creator, We are His children. So we are co-creators. So we can create anything in our life. If we want to create anything in our life, we can do that because our God is a creator of this world. Yes, I agree that you can't create a world like God, but at least you can create your own small world. At least you can make the people around you happy. Yes, you cannot make the entire world happy, but at least you can make your near or dear ones happy. And just let me see, can I trade? Respected Guruji, may I ask you with Reliance? Okay, I will answer all your queries. Just please hold on. So, I was just talking about creating your own world. Yes, I agree that you cannot create a big world like God because that God is the biggest entity in this universe. He is the owner of this universe. He is the CEO of this universe. He can do anything. He can change our life in a jiffy, in a second. So, pray is important. So, you need to pray to God. Yes, pray as if everything depends upon God, but work as if everything depends upon you. Yes, people don't want to work these days. They just want everything easy. Yes, everyone in this world wants everything easy at a click of a button. That's not gonna happen in your life. You cannot get things at a click of a button. You have to go through something to get to something. Yes, you have to face the hardships, the troubles, the difficulties, the fiery furnaces of this world if you want to achieve something in your life. No, it will not come easy to you. And if someone tells you that you are gonna get it easy in your life, he is lying to you. That is a separate issue. If someone gets wealth from his parents, from his mother, from his father, or his ancestors, that is a separate issue. But if you want to make it in this thing called life, you will have to go through the struggles of life. And if you avoid your struggles, then something in you will die. Yes, that originality in you will die. Nothing happens without a struggle. Nothing. Absolutely nothing happens without a struggle. Nothing happens without a struggle. If you want to become someone significant in this world, if you want people to remember you much after you have left this planet Earth, then you will have to work. Yes, and let me just recite this poem in front of you. And it says that trust no future, however pleasant. Let the past bury its dead. Work in the living present with heart within and God overhead. So, this hand, this feet, this eyes, this body which was given to us was not given to us to eat, drink or sleep. God has given us a beautiful mind and we need to use this mind very, very carefully in order to achieve our goals and dreams of our life. The thing is that you can't control the thoughts which are coming into your mind. Yes, you can't control the thoughts which are coming into our mind, but you can definitely control the thoughts which you dwell on, which you think about, which you ponder. Yes, you can definitely, think about those things which are positive in your life. And if you think positive, things are gonna get positive for you. And let me tell you, you need to constantly improve yourself. You need to become better than who you were yesterday. Yes, you need to become better than who you were yesterday. Yes, that is what you need to do in your life, and you need to constantly become better and better and better. and that is how you attract success. No, you don't attract success by pursuing success. You need to hone your skills. You need to get better at what you are today. And you need to improve yourself every day in order to see success in your life. And if you want personal success in your life, you need to get better. Well, let me just take some questions now. Mr. Ganesh, okay, Mr. BMGR writes, can I trade? Okay, Mr. BMGR, just let me make your horoscope and I'll tell you, can you trade or not? Just let me make your horoscope. Mr. Ganesh Bargala writes, respected Guruji, may I ask about Reliance stock in coming days and also NC stock? I don't know about what do you mean by NC stock, Mr. Ganesh? Okay, regarding Reliance, Mr. Ganesh, I want to tell you all that I expect Reliance to touch a level of 1412 rupees by the 31st of December 2024. Mr. BMGR, I haven't calculated the price of Reliance for this particular month, but until the 31st of December 2024, I expect the Reliance stock to touch a level of 1412 rupees. Dr. Narendra Jaiswal, Namaste Sirji, Namaste. Mr. Jaiswal, Namaste. Amit Kumar writes, आपका निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी का वीकली प्रिडिक्शन क्या नहीं दिया? नहीं अमित कुमार जी, आई एम प्रिडिक्टिंग एवरी डे नाउ. मैं रोज अब प्रिडिक्ट कर रहा हूं, मैं डेली प्रिडिक्शंस दे रहा हूं, मैं आपको लेवल्स बता रहा हूं जो निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी अगले दिन हो सकते हैं. लॉर्ड शिवा मंत्र राइट्स, कैन यू प्लीज लेट अस if there is any stock correction due to war? I don't see any stock market correction due to war in the near future. No, I don't see that happening. Vishwadham Jonadhala writes, Adani Enterprises long-term view. Okay, just please hold on. Please hold on. Mr. Vishwadham, Adani Enterprise. See, Mr. Vishwadham, in the near term, I expect the Adani Enterprises stock to fall to a level of, say, around 1315. Yes, it could fall in the next year's correction. Adani Enterprise can fall to a level of 1315. Adani Enterprise I'm talking about. It would sound strange to some people that I'm talking about 1315 for Adani stock right currently, but I personally feel that it can, in the next year's fall, it can fall to a level of 1315. Yes, I definitely feel that. Okay, can you please let me know about Equitas Bank? Okay, Adani Enterprises long-term view. See, my long-term target for Adani Enterprises is around 5717. Yes, for Adani Enterprises, my long-term targets would be 5717, and that could be in the next 26 months. After that fall which I'm talking about, once Adani touches a low level of around 1315, after that it will start going up and it can touch a level of 5717. Sanjay ji, Jai Ma Kali, Jai Ma Kali, Jai Ma Kali. Okay, Ashok Mane, Nifty low up to 28th November. 28th November, okay. Ganesh Barla writes, thank you. NCC, National Construction Company abstracts. Can I hold? Okay, I'll just see. Mr. Ganesh, I will just let you know. Sir, tax rail का क्या please बताएं. अमन कुमार जी, tax rail. Okay. And Sanjay ji writes, okay, NCC, National Construction Company. Just let me see the stock. National Construction Company share price. Okay, it's currently trading at 279 rupees. So, see, NCC, it currently trading at 279. Okay. See, this stock can fall to a level of 189. Yes, NCC can fall to a level of 189 next year. It can fall to a level of 189 next year. I'm talking about NCC Limited. It can fall down to a level of 189. And I don't see the stock falling below that 189 mark. But definitely, you shouldn't buy the stock at this point in time. You should start accumulating at a level of 189 rupees, not before that. Idea Siva writes, Namaste Guruji, Namaste, Namaste. Can we buy Ola Electric? Okay, I will talk about tax rail. Bataएं. Aman Kumar ji write tax rail. Okay, just let me tax rail. Currently trading at 998 rupees. No, I see a lot of downside in this stock. This stock can go down to a level of 115 rupees. Yes, Tex Maco Rail and Engineering. I'm talking about Tex Maco Rail and Engineering. This stock can go down to a level of around say 115. Yes, it can fall down to a level of 115. And in the next 49 months, I expect the stock to touch a level of say around 338 rupees. I'm talking about Tex Maco. First, I think the price will fall down to a level of 115, and then from there it will start rising from there, and it can touch a level of 338 in the next 46 months, around 46 months. Yes, Tex Maco Rail. So I hope you've got your answer, Mr. Aman Kumar ji. Okay, currently, okay, let me take, can we buy Ola Electric? No. Sanjay ji, I wouldn't recommend you to buy Ola Electric at this point in time. No, I wouldn't, because I believe that, this Ola Electric stock can go down to a level of around, it's around 40 rupees. Around 40 rupees. Yes. And from 28th of September 2025, this stock can definitely go up. Not before that, but before it starts to go up, it will fall to a level of 40 rupees. So if you want to accumulate this stock, you should accumulate it at a level of 40 rupees. Not, yes, you're welcome, Mr. Sanjay. Kalyan Jewelers. Aman Kumar ji, I hope you've got the answer of Tex Rail. Kalyan Jewelers stock. Idea Siva writes. Definitely, I will take this. Let me ask, which stock may rally in the next fall in January? For a change, let me ask, which stock may rally in the next fall in the... I haven't looked at that, Mr. BMJR. Which particular stock may rally in the next fall? I haven't looked at that at this point in time. So Kalyan Jewelers, I want to ask. Somebody has asked Kalyan Jewelers. Okay. Kalyan Jewelers. Let me just see. Let me just go through the. Okay, currently it's trading at 701. I think Kalyan Jewelers will fall next year. Yes, it's gonna fall next year. Kalyan Jewelers. Kalyan Jewelers will fall to a level of 348 rupees next year. So you should start accumulating this stock at those levels. And my long-term target would be somewhere in the range of 1288 rupees in the next 42 months. Kalyan Jewelers. First it will fall down to a level of say 348 rupees, Kalyan Jewelers, and it can rise to a level of 1288 rupees in the next 42 months after touching a level of 348 rupees. Yes. Lord Shiva Mantra writes, Guruji, in your video few days back, your prediction was that there could be a correction next year before March. Can you please check how much would be the fall? Mr. Lord Shiva Mantras, I have already talked about, this fall which is going to come next year between 8th of January 2025 and 26th of April 2025. And this fall could be anywhere between 15 to 20%, and during this time the stocks could fall say anywhere between 30 to 40% or even 50%. Mr. BMGR, will the Nifty fall on Thursday as well as like it did on Tuesday? Yes, it fell from higher levels. But there is an aspect on the planet Sun. The Sun represents the financial markets, So there is an aspect of Jupiter on the planet Sun. This tells me that the markets are gonna remain bullish during this time until the 16th of or 17th of December. And even the planet Saturn has gone progressive. So all this indicates that the markets are gonna remain positive. I'm not saying it's going to be a one-way upward rally. No, it's not going to go up in from 23,500 to 24,500. Ups and downs are a part of the stock market, but definitely I see the markets remaining bullish during this time. I'm talking about, okay, somebody has asked me Nifty low level up to 28th of November. Nvidia price up. Tushar Patel writes Nvidia price update. Okay, let me just see. Nvidia. And so just let me answer this question of Nifty falling on Thursday. See, I don't see too much of downside on the Nifty or Bank Nifty at this point in time. Let me be very honest with you. I see bullishness in the market right now. Yes, there will be more positive days than negative days during this time. Yes, and I don't see the Nifty going below a level of 23,000. No, I don't see that happening. At least until 23rd of November 2024, I don't see that happening. I'm talking about Nifty. I don't see the Nifty going to a level of 23,000 during this time. Yes, at least until the 28th of November 2024. Yes, that is my analysis, because I see more positivity than negativity in the stock markets at this point in time. Yes, Nvidia. Let me just check Nvidia. So Nvidia is currently trading at around $147. Yes. So Nvidia is going to fall a lot next year. When the world markets fall, this stock is going to fall dramatically and drastically next year. Yes, I expect the Nvidia stock to fall dramatically and drastically next year. So currently it is trading at $147. So I see a good correction in that stock Nvidia, and it can fall to a level of $89. Yes, possible. If I can recollect, the stock of Nvidia had a split, right, Mr. Tushar? Yes. Now, so I expect the Nvidia stock to fall to a level of $89 in the next year. Nifty 50 December target, Mr. Rakesh, I haven't seen that until now, but I think it is going to, like, until the 17th of December, I expect the markets to go up. And I don't see the Nifty falling below a level of 23,000 during this month until the 28th of November 2024. I don't see that happening. See, currently the Bank Nifty is trading at around 50,626. Yes. And I don't see the Bank Nifty falling below 49,448 during this month. Until 28th of November 2024. Yes, Tusharji, thank you. Thank you for that information on Nvidia. So just let me give you all the levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. See, my first support level for Nifty for tomorrow would be 21st of November 2024 would be 23,450. The second support level would be around 23,400. And the third support would be near 23,326. I don't see the Nifty falling below a level of 23,326 tomorrow. Okay? And my the resistance level of Nifty for tomorrow is 23,566. That would be my first resistance for Nifty tomorrow, 21st of November 2024. The second resistance would be at 23,625. Yes. And the third resistance would be at 23,698. I am bullish on the markets tomorrow as well. Yes, I am bullish on the markets tomorrow as well. So you get any dip tomorrow, there could be a buying opportunity. Anil Pawar writes, multi-bagger stock, please sir. Definitely, I will give you this multi-bagger stock today. I will let you all know about that stock, that multi-bagger stock which I have just, I've seen the horoscope of that particular stock, and I will give you the name of that stock in this video. So, my lower level of the Bank Nifty for until 28th of November 2024 is 49,448. So for tomorrow, my first support level of Bank Nifty is at 50,489. The second support is at 50,353. And the third support is at a level of 50,230. The resistance, my first resistance level of the Bank Nifty for tomorrow is 50,771. I'm talking about 21st of November 2024. The second resistance for Bank Nifty for tomorrow is 50,862. And the third resistance is at 50,989. My view about tomorrow is about Nifty and the Bank Nifty is that it could fall below yesterday's level, that is the level which it closed at on the 19th of November 2024. It can go below that level, but it would start going up from there and it could test these levels which I have just talked about. So I hope you all have got, okay, gold and silver also, yes. Yes, I will give you the, my predictions about gold and silver. Please hold on. I'll give you my predictions regarding gold and silver for today in dollar terms. So my prediction about silver for today is that silver could remain from flat to slightly negative today, and the silver can fall from a level of $31.62. Yes, it can start falling from a level of $31.62 and it can test a level of $30.98. So if anybody wants to take a short trade on silver, that could only be at a level of $31.62. And silver and gold could remain from flattish to slightly negative today, 20th of November 2024. I believe MCX isn't open today because of the Maharashtra elections. So, and regarding gold, I want to tell you that gold could fall from a level of 2653 today. Yes, and my downside target for gold today would be 2617. Yes, for 2617. My target for gold for today would be 2617. But if you want to take a short trade, you can do it only at a level of 2653, not before that. Okay, Anil Pawarji, multi-bagger stock. Definitely I will tell you about that multi-bagger stock. Okay, let me see that the name of that stock which I saw. Actually, I've seen the horoscope of that company and it seems a good company to me. See, the name of that multi-bagger stock which I want to tell you all is ATV Projects. A as in Australia, T as in Tamil Nadu, V as in Victory. ATV Projects India stock. That is the name of the stock. And it is currently trading at a level of 35 rupees and 64 paisa. That stock which I am talking about, ATV Projects India, it is currently trading at 35 rupees 64 paisa. I am not telling you all to buy this stock at this level. See, let me be very clear with you all that I am not a stock market expert. I am not a financial consultant. I am not SEBI registered. Let me be very clear to you all. I am just an astrologer, a Vastu consultant and a mystic. I pray for people. So if you also want me to pray for you, you're most welcome to contact me. If you want a solution for your problems, then also you're most welcome to contact me. Or if you want to know your future through astrology and numerology, if you want to plan your life through astrology and numerology, then also you are most welcome to contact me. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. So this is not a recommendation. This is my analysis, my astrological and numerological analysis about ATV Projects India. Yes, regarding ATV Projects India, I want to tell you all that you can buy this stock at a level of around 18 rupees. When this stock falls to a level of 18 rupees, you can start accumulating this stock. And my long-term target for ATV projects is around 126 rupees. ATV projects. So my downside for this stock is 18 rupees and upside is 126 rupees, and that would be somewhere between 51 months. It would take 51 months to reach 126. Manpreet Kandhar writes, Raju Industries. Okay, I will take this question. Manpreet ji, Raju Industries. Raju Industries. Okay. So, Raju Industries. Raju Engineering, right? Manpreet ji, Raju Engineering, right? Am I right? Raju Industries or Raju Industries. It's showing me Raju Engineers. See, this stock, Raju Engineers, can go to a level of, say, around 958 rupees. Yes, my target for this particular stock would be 958 rupees. I expect Raju Engineering to go to a level of 958 rupees. Yes. So this is my... Okay, do you all have any other questions? Shobha ji writes, Guruji, सादर प्रणाम गुरुजी, कल चांदी में कितना तेजी या मंदी होगी? शोभा जी, मैं रोज के प्रिडिक्शंस देता हूं सिल्वर और गोल्ड के ऊपर. तो अगर आपको भी जानने हैं गोल्ड और सिल्वर की प्राइसेस रोज की MCX एज वेल एज डॉलर टर्म्स में, तो आप मेरे सेक्रेटरी मिस्टर कालीदास के साथ कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. वो आपको बता देंगे कि कैसे आपको रोज की प्रिडिक्शंस मिल सकती हैं गोल्ड और सिल्वर के बारे में. बिल्कुल. सो I have already spoken about Adani Enterprises. My long-term target for Adani Enterprises would be 5717. Vishwadham ji, I hope you've got the answer. I've already spoken about Adani Enterprises. So try not to ask the same question again and again. Thank you so much. Yes. So my thing is that I was just talking about this planet Moon, yes. And this planet Moon also represents our mother. So generally speaking, a person is always very close to his mother. And because there are some emotions, the planet Moon also represents our emotions. So we are emotionally inclined to our mothers in our life. And I was just talking about our mind as well. So just let me tell you all that you need to keep whenever you face a situation where you aren't able to think what you should do in that situation, you should calm yourself down, stay still, and then think about a solution, because where there is a problem, there is a solution. Yes. So it all happens in our mind. You need to use your mind to your advantage. MRF, tire long-term targets. Okay, Vishwadham writes MRF, long-term targets. Long-term targets for MRF would be somewhere in the range of, see how would you describe long-term? Vishwadham ji, it would easily cross a level of, say, 1,75,000 rupees in the next 33 months. Yes, it could cross 1,75,000 rupees in the next 33 months. MRF, 1,75,000 in the next 33 months. So in the next 33 months, it could reach a level of 1,75,000. But before that, it will correct. I'll take your question in the next video. Ganesh ji. Oh, Lakhan Kamdar writes, Lakhan ji, gold next year target. You will laugh at me. My viewers are gonna laugh at me if I give you the target of gold for next year. My target for gold for the next year on the downside is between $2,200 and $2,250. So somewhere between $2,200 and $2,250 in the next year. So my target is on the downside. It's not on the upside. I think the gold has already tested its high levels this year, and it may again test those levels this year by the year end, by the 31st of December 2024. I will take this question, Mr. Ganesh, in the next video, Tesla stock. I will take this question in the next video. So if you all have any other questions, you all are most... Not at these levels, Manpreet ji. Raju Industries, you shouldn't buy this stock at these levels. Wait for the stock to correct. INR, gold rate in INR. Okay, I'll give you the MCX rates. Okay, if you want the MCX rates, but the MCX isn't open today, Mr. BMGR. It isn't open today, so doesn't make sense for me to give you all the rates right now. I always give you all these MCX rates every time I come live. So if you all have any other questions, please do ask me. Lakhanji, I haven't seen regarding Nifty for the next year. Lower level for gold for when? Mr. BMGR, for when? Tomorrow, today, when? Adani Port, long-term view. Adani Port, long-term view. Okay, I'll take this question. Adani Port, long-term view. Okay, my long-term view for Adani Port would be somewhere in the range of 3838. My long-term target for Adani Port would be 3838 in the next 46 months. Adani Port in the next, but you need to wait for the correction before you start buying this stock. Currently it is trading at a level of 1287. So I expect the stock to correct to a level of say 798 rupees. 798 rupees. The Adani stock can fall to a level of 798 rupees, and then it can start going up from there. And my 46 months target from that level, from a level of 798 rupees, would be 3838 in the next 46 months. Oh yes, BMGR. Yes, currently it is impossible to think that the gold can fall to a level of 2250. Impossible to think, but that is my prediction about gold for the next year. Let's see if my predictions are correct or not regarding gold. We will only come to know about that in the next year. For 2025, my prediction is that the gold can fall to a level of somewhere between $2,200 and $2,250. $2,250. $22,500. I mean, yes. $2,200 and $2,250. Yes, you are right, Mr. BMGR. Between 2200 and 2250. I have already spoken about Manpreet ji. I have already spoken about Raju Industries. I have already answered your question. You shouldn't buy the stock right now. I am talking about Raju Engineering. Yes, don't buy the stock right now. My target for Raju Engineering is 953 rupees. Please don't ask me the same question again and again. My request to Manpreet ji, please don't ask the same questions again and again. Vishwadham ji, I expect the gold price to fall to a level of around $65,000 rupees next year. I'm talking about the MCX levels. Yes, I'm talking about the MCX gold prices. Next year, yes. Next year, my target for gold on the downside is 65,000 rupees. Yes. So, this is my prediction about gold for the next year. I am not very bullish on gold and silver next year. Yes, it can go up, but not to a very, I don't think so it will cross its, means I am not bullish on gold and silver next year. See, Mr. BMGR, let me tell you that I've already spoken about Nifty and Bank Nifty. I am bullish on Nifty and Bank Nifty until the 17th of December 2024. Let me be very clear with you all, because the planetary positions are such that it can show a Mr. Hiramat 2 lakh rupees of gold, 20 lakh rupees. I have no idea about that. I saw the price of gold at 20 lakhs in 2026 in my dream. Well, that is a dream. It's not a reality. Cannot happen. Sorry about that, Mr. Hiramat. Sorry about that. Doesn't seem it will touch 20 lakh of rupees. No. It's just a dream. So, very, very seldom dreams become a reality. So that is generally the gold price will shoot up in war situations. Yes, it does, but it doesn't seem that it's going to, shoot up in the next year. So my prices for gold and silver are very, very, are very much on the downside in the next year. Very much on the downside next year. Well, I may be wrong, I'm not saying that I'll be right every time. And it's not possible for me. Like everybody else, I can also be wrong. But this is my view about gold and silver. So, Harish Patel writes, please sir, regarding what? Harish Patel writes, Harish Patel writes, please sir, regarding what? What is your question? Mr. Harish Patel, what's your question? You've written please sir, but I haven't got your question. Lakhan Kamdar writes, Nifty 50 next year target. I don't want to just take a guess right now. I'll see the horoscope and tell you all what my view is about Nifty 50 next year. Okay, you gave your birth details. Mr. Harish, my apologies. I won't be able to take your personal questions in this video. I'll do it in the next video. I'm sorry about this. Very sorry. My apologies. So, this is all I wanted to tell you all about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and gold and silver prices for today. And probably I would end my video just now. And thank you very much for watching my live streaming. I'll come and connect with you all every day, and I'll try to give you all predictions regarding Nifty, Bank Nifty, gold and silver every day. And tomorrow I think I'll be coming in the evening, not in the afternoon tomorrow, because I've already given my Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions for tomorrow. Okay, I'll take this question in the next live streaming of mine. I'll be coming tomorrow evening to give my Nifty and Bank Nifty and gold predictions for the 22nd of November 2024. So in the evening at around I'll be coming at around 6:30, between 6:30 and 7 tomorrow, to connect with you all and take your questions. So around 6:30 and 7 I will come and answer all your queries for tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for joining me. Thank you so much. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali. God bless you all.